tip-off right now, set for this weekend. The opening tip will go to Darius Falk for Hofstra. Micaiah Teague dribble with the right hand. Will continue with the right hand, pull up a mid-range jumper, and it's good. Micaiah Teague. The 2-second discrepancy. Now it's Cole driving the lane and kisses it off the glass. Shatia Cole has stepped up here in this first quarter. She's got 7 points. Transition, they do get the contact, no foul called, but Cole gets the left-handed lay-in to go. She'll get it out to Cole, but it's no turned over, and Luciana will go with the fast break off the steal, and the easy 2-point bucket. We're tied at 9. They're gonna throw it down low to Rebecca Banks. Nice little move in the paint there by Rebecca Banks. Durant down low, guarded by Henry, gets the turnaround to fall off the glass. 2 points for Shunay Durant. A little step back, kick it back out to Cole. Cole for 3, and it's good. Bottom of the net, Shatia Cole now has 23 points for UNCW. Pull-up jumper, and it's good by Shunay Durant. Now it's Teague at the top. Has it stripped away there by Darius Falk, and she's on the fast break. 2 points by Falk, and Hofstra in front with under 90 seconds to play. We got to shoot the basketball here, and that's going to do it for this ball game. Rocky gets the 3-pointer to go, but that will do it. Hofstra comes away with a huge victory over UNCW.